Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Traditionally, Germans love truffles with a soft alcoholic filling for Easter or other celebrations. One of the favorites are white chocolate Sekt truffles. Sekt is the German version of champagne and is a very popular drink in Germany and a must at every celebration party. Let me show you how you can make a small batch of white chocolate Sekt truffles without a lot of mess. Temper 5 ounces of the white chocolate. Then beat the butter with the powdered sugar until light and fluffy. Add 2/3 of the tempered chocolate and beat for a couple of minutes. Now you can add the Sekt. Whisk the mixture until the Sekt is well incorporated. Add the mixture to a container and refrigerate. Fill the rest of the tempered chocolate into a silicone mold. Shift the chocolate around to fill every corner of the mold. Then shake off the excess chocolate and refrigerate until the chocolate is fully set. Fill the mold with the Sekt mixture, but make sure to leave some space for the chocolate lid. Tap the mold to spread everything evenly and chill for about 2 hours. Temper the rest of the white chocolate and cover the tops. And refrigerate covered overnight. On the next day, the truffles are solid and you can pop them easily out of the mold. Guten Appetit!